Imagine a cozy little coffee shop tucked in the heart of Codeville, where the aroma of freshly brewed Java fills the air. This is the Java Coffee Shop, and our friendly barista Jamie is here to guide you through the art of programming. Today we're brewing our first program, Hello World, like Jamie shouting a welcome to customers. From here, we'll explore the coffee shop's daily grind, coding amazing Java programs. So grab a cup of curiosity and let's start brewing with Jamie. Now that our shop's open, let's help Jamie brew that Hello World greeting in Java. First, we need our coffee shop tools, the JDK and IntelliJ. Now that our Java coffee shop is open, let's help Jamie brew a Hello World greeting to welcome customers. We'll use IntelliJ, our barista counter, and Java, our coffee machine, to write this program. In IntelliJ, our barista counter, click New Project. JDK 17 is coffee machine. Name it Hello World. This is our shop's name. Click Create, and here's our SRC folder, the kitchen where Jamie brews code. Now, let's put up our shop sign. Right-click the SRC folder, choose New Java class, and name it Hello World. This is like naming our coffee shop. Notice IntelliJ creates helloworld.java. The file name must match, or Jamie gets confused. Let's help Jamie brew the greeting. Inside helloworld.java, we add the main method, Jamie's counter where work starts. Then system.out.println is her megaphone shouting Hello World. Save it as helloworld.java, matching the class name. Now click Run. Boom, there's our greeting. You just helped barista Jamie brew your first Java program. Hello World! Our coffee shop is officially open, and you're coding like a pro. Next time, we'll store customer orders using variables to keep the shop buzzing. Subscribe to join Jamie for more Java coffee shop tutorials, and comment below if you got Hello World to work. See you at the counter.